Yeah guys, this is the quick unboxing of the Ruroc Atlas Fear. I was waiting for a while to get this helmet. I thought it would go nice with the Harley Davidson that I ride. So yeah, let's take it out. Let's see what's in the box. So how do you open this? Interesting. So the packaging is pretty good. Nice and sleek. It has good amount of foaming and protection, so that's pretty good. There's some sort of a jewelry, and I think this is a keychain and also the tool that I've read about. And this is the helmet itself. Nice packaging. Let's get these things out of the way. Okay, so yeah, nice, well protected. What's this? Stickers. I think this is the additional visor that they ship along with the helmet, which is good because sometimes the visor themselves cost a good 20-30 quid. This has to look good on the helmet, has to look good. So let's open this up. Wow, have a look at this. Pretty good helmet. Looks good. I think DOT and ECE certified. Let's get this out. In fact, let me check. This is 160 grams. This is not too light as I would have expected it to be, it being a carbon helmet. But yeah, looks good. Hopefully I'll try this out. I'll post a few review comments on how I find the helmet. Great, thanks guys.